Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Nasreen, and if you like good home tips and DIY videos, make sure and hit that subscribe button. Sometimes when dealing with older homes, you can run into problems like this. As you can see, our waste drain is corroded and there's a big crack running down. And when you turn the water on, it all leaks out. Thankfully, this is an easy fix, and it only takes about 10 minutes. First, we're going to loosen these two nuts and take this piece off. I'm going to use my channel lock to take the nut off. All right. Look at that big, huge crack running down. Now I'm going to take my new one and cut it to the same size. First, I'm going to mark it so I can cut it at the same length. Now I'm going to take this hacksaw and cut this piece off. When you get your new waste drain tube, it comes with a washer and a nut. You want to put your nut on first, and then your washer with the thick side by the nut. And if you don't put this washer on right, it's gonna leak. There's one more washer that comes in the bag, and it goes right here with the thick side towards the nut, just like the other one. Now you get your drain tube and put it into the T and align it with the top drain. And then tighten it down. We're just gonna hand tighten it first, and then tighten the bottom one. Bam! Now we're gonna tighten it back up with the channel lock, but don't overdo it, just nice and snug. All right, now the top ones. There we go, that should do it. Now I'm going to turn the water on and check for any leaks. Nice and dry. I did a good job. That's it. It's cheap. It's easy. The drain tube only costs about $15, which is a lot less than a plumber. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.